Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be talking about what management accounting is. And this is going to be the first video of a series of management accounting videos which I'm going to do over the next while. I've listed three things here which I want to go over in this video, and those three things are what management accounting is. We're also going to look at the users of management accounting information, which is essentially who uses it. And I'm going to be talking about the topics we're going to learn in management accounting, and essentially how management accounting helps our operational side of our business. So let's start off by looking at what management accounting is. So what management accounting is it's used for compiling information, analyzing costs, preparing budgets, and a variety of other things which we're going to go over in the next videos. But these are the main three things. In compiling information, what I mean by that is compiling all the costs, all the materials, labor, overhead costs, things like management salaries, utility costs. And what we do with that is we analyze these costs, see whether they're favorable or unfavorable, looking at how we forecasted our costs and making sure that that management is prudent about their cost control. Also, we have in management accounting, we're going to be preparing budgets, things like sales budgets, evaluating how many sales we're going to be forecasting over the next month. Usually we prepare budgets month to month. We'll have production budgets, overhead cost budgets, cash budgets to make sure that our cash is coming in and that we don't have any essentially deficits of cash that we may need to finance. And I just listed here that introductory to management and managerial accounting will focus heavily on manufacturing companies. And we'll notice that as we begin actually doing some questions and talking about the different parts in the next video. So now I just wanted to move on to who uses management accounting, and that's internal users. And internal users are people like management. And what I've listed down here is that external users use financial accounting. And I've just kind of like abbreviated financial with fin accounting. Management accounting is mainly directed towards internal users. Financial accounting is directed towards external users. And I think I've kind of said that during my financial accounting videos. So to move on about how management accounting affects a business, I've come up with kind of a character named Michael, who's a manager. He runs Thunder Mifflin Cardboards, and he absolutely has no clue what's going on within his company. He has no clue of the costs within his company. He doesn't record anything. He doesn't know how to manage these costs. He can't tell if they are essentially going over or under, and he never prepares budgets, which is it's a major problem. Major problem. So in order for Michael to turn himself around as a manager, what he's going to have to do is, using these videos, he's probably going to have to learn how to perform management accounting. Because what we're going to learn in management accounting are things I'm going to list right now. And the things we're going to learn are essentially how to differentiate between variable and fixed costs. We'll be talking about how to recognize break-even points. I've just abbreviated that as BE. Break-even points in dollars and units. So how many dollars it'll take in order for us to break even in revenue, how many units it'll take for us to break even. We'll also look at things like how to allocate overhead costs. We'll essentially look at indirect and direct costs. We'll be using relevant costing to decide how to, well, the relevant costing is going to be a part of deciding whether we should make or buy certain products, whether we should accept special orders, whether we should drop a product line, whether it's inefficient. We'll also be learning things like master budgets, flexible budgets, variance analysis. So it's a very wide array of different topics we're going to be going over. So don't let these different topics intimidate you. We'll go over all of them we'll make it very simple, and we'll do questions to make sure that all the different topics are understood very easily. And hopefully by the end of this, Michael will be able to become an effective manager, and he'll be able to use management accounting well enough. So in the next tutorial, I'm going to be talking about different costs. Make sure to check that out. And just in summary, I wanted to point out that management accounting is for cost control, the analysis of costs, budgeting, and a variety of other things which we'll be going over. Alright, I'll make sure to point on these things in the next tutorial as well. Thanks and have a great day.